Hello po! Today, we will show you the easy way to import exam in VLS. So, ito lang po yung type of exam na ituturo ko. So, we have the true or false, identification, and multiple choice. First, you have to convert your Microsoft Word format into plain text.
To import easier, separate the identification, true or false, and multiple choice. But you can merge or pwedeng isahin ang identification at true or false sa isang Microsoft Word. So, bakit ko gi-separate ang tatlong SM? Kasi mamaya, when we import test questions sa VLS, iba yung format ng multiple choice sa true or false and identification.
Okay, so mag-start tayo sa true or false type of exam. So open your Word, Microsoft Word. So before we convert it into plain text, you need to delete the following. The direction, header, number, period before each question, and some symbols like quotation mark, hyphen, slash, colon, and etc. But the comma in period after the questions is allowed.
After is question, there is a capital T or F inside the bracket. Capital T stands for true and capital F stands for false answer. If the answer in the question is true, type capital T inside the bracket. And if it's false, just type capital letter F inside the bracket. When you are done, you can now convert the file into plain text. So select File and select Save As and choose your preferred file location. So I choose desktop para madali siyang makita. And then, rename na lang yung file. Rename na lang yung file. So, usually, I put import or for import. And then, dito. So, select plain text. And click save. So, don't skip this one kasi hindi masisave yung plain text mo.
Okay, so let's open this one. Ito na yung magiging itsura ng plain text. So, dito you can edit pa naman the file and then save it again.
Okay, next is identification. In identification, we need to put equal sign before the answer inside the bracket. Answers must be in capital letters. Like in true or false type of exam, you need to delete some symbols to import successfully. Some questions have many possible answers. So if a question has two or more answers, just add another answer inside the bracket after the first answer and put an equal sign before it. Make sure to put a space between two answers, just like this, first and second. So that's the example.
So, it's the same process pa din ang pag-convert into plain text. So, click File, click Save As, and choose preferred file location. Rename the file. So, it's up to you kung ano yung i-rename mo. And then, choose File, Plain Text. And then, click Save.
and click OK. So last is multiple choice. Same with other exams, you have to delete the following: number, period, before the question, and some symbols like what I have mentioned. The comma and question mark is allowed. To determine the answer in each question, there is no need to put a bracket, but instead, a capital word answer, colon, space, the correct letter. So, dapat ito yung format sa multiple choice. So, napansin niyo yung choices is pababa yung pattern niya, and then after that, yung answer na niya. Okay, para hindi mag-error sa pag-import ng test questions mamaya sa VLS, so you need to check if may mga symbols pa siya, like yung mga quotation or hyphen or semicolon or colon, para ma-import lahat ng question, hindi siya mag-error. Before mag-import ng test question, so i-double check ninyo baka walang space sa between two items kasi mag-error talaga siya. So dapat may space ito, may space dito after sa answer, and then sa between answer and then sa another question. Same process pa din sa pag-convert ng Microsoft into plain text. So, select File, select Save As, and select your preferred file location. So, desktop pa rin yung pinili ko, and then rename your file. It's up to you if ano yung ipapangalan mo. And then, select plain text, of course, and then click Save. Then click the dialog box. Yun, click OK. Kasi kailangan yan para ma-save yung plain text ninyo. Okay, let's check yung plain text na multiple choice. So, ito yung magiging itsura ng naka-plain text na multiple choice from Microsoft Word into plain text. So, dapat walang space dito na side. Ayan. So, you have to double check before nyo ma-import sa VLS. Okay, so let's go to importing test questions in VLS. To import text questions, click Course Management and click Import. Select the give format for true or false and identification. Choose a file. Select the file that you converted into plain text earlier. By the way guys, baka magtaka kayo na iba yung mga test questions kanina kumpara sa dito na video. Kasi ito na video is ito yung screen record ni Ma'am Feb. And if nakapili ka na ng file, so click Import. So dito malalaman mo if successful ba ang pag-import mo ng test questions. Kasi halimbawa if 10 questions yung i-import mo, if 10 questions din yung nandito, so ibig sabihin is successful yung pag-import mo ng text questions. Okay, so dito na part kasi kay Ma'am Feb ito na screen recording. From 1 to 5 is true or false and 6 to 10 is identification naman. Kasi 'di ba sinabi ko kanina na pwede mong i-separate yung tatlong exam or pwedeng i-merge yung identification and true or false sa isang Microsoft Word. By the way, ito nga pala yung itsura if may problems or may error sa pag-import ng text questions mo sa VLS.
Okay, so just click continue kasi i-import pa tayo ng another type of exam which is the multiple choice kasi 'di ba tapos na yung identification and true or false. So next is multiple choice naman yung i-import natin. For the format for multiple choice is icon format. So same process pa din. Choose a file and then ayun so click import. And then, ayun. So, makita dito na successful yung pag-import ng 10 questions na multiple choice. So, click continue. So, dito na part po. So, ito yung tinatawag natin na question bank. Okay, so i-add na natin yung test questions sa ating exam. So, i-click yung exam and then tato tayo sa edit quiz. And then click add and then click from question bank. Ayun. Okay, so check this box. And then if napansin nyo may symbol before the question, so dito natin malalaman if multiple choice type of exam siya or identification or true or false. So after that, add selected question to the quiz. So ayun, so na-add na yung lahat including the multiple choice, the identification, and true or false. So it's up to you if you want to shuffle your exam. And then dapat nagpa-match yung maximum grade sa total marks.